So
No, please
directive-
allow me.
First
Please
time
allow me.
they want to limit it. Instead of 3 days, she wants only
Yes, only one day. I want only one.
Huh? Correct. But you have not reported to us. Correct. Now she says she got an employment.
He used to keep the children in the office itself for 3 hours in all the 3 days, even though she has not visited. In all the 3 days, and also yesterday also same thing is happened. And she has not revealed in the last occasion when she was present before the court. She has applied for job or she got the job.
She is appointed as
As
typist.
stenotypist.
But on that
Where
day,
is the appointment?
she was present before the
Kanun
court.
Adhikari in the prosecution department.
My lordship, it is my application. I mean, he's not allowing me to make any submission.
She is appointed by the prosecution
Yes,
department.
yes, as a steno and typist in the courts only. And she struggled so much.
Court staff are different. If they are appointing in the prosecution office.
No, yes. My lordship, she did the course of steno and typing for 3 years. She struggled a lot. This is the first job she got. And on 8th, they called her and the letter was handed over to her in person. And on 7th, 8th and 9th, there was a visiting rights in Shanwar Samte. She is in Bangalore.
And see, now what he is doing? What he is doing, husband? What he is doing? What he is doing, husband?
Husband is not working.
Then he can bring and produce the children, no? If he's not working.
He will produce, but typically in the office of the PDO, other than
PDO has to plead all those difficulties, not you. Right? Government advocate is there. Last time in this case, we think.
Yes.
Start the coordination of HCCP. Registered communicate copy of this order to Panchayat.
My lordship is working. He is having a business. He is custom clearance. He is carrying in the airport. There was a partnership business.
Communicate to the chief executive officer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lordship, I want only to visit my children twice a month. On first. Yes.
But second Saturday will be holiday for them also.
No, first and third Saturday, because I asked my senior and they gave me permission to visit first and third Saturday. Second Saturday, I don't want. With permission she is getting. I want only to visit my children. I don't want anything else.
Anything else? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Orders and 2025. This court by earlier order dated 3/2/2025. Hello. 3/2/74. First time order ಮಾಡಿದ್ದವಾಗ 3/2/2025. Why have you sought 7/4?
7th, I have filed an application for modification. 7th, I have filed an application for modification. 7/4 is to modify document. 1/4 is the original document.
1/4. How many times will you repeat that?
But if mother is having proven affection towards the children, once she is
Right.
simply harassing the husband.
ಈಗ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅವಾಗ. ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7/4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Somebody else can come and drop the children on Saturdays, first and third. She will go and visit. If he comes, then he creates a problem.
Now we have argued. Let us permit us to dictate the order. More than the parties, you keep fighting.
Then I don't know.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು days, particular days. No grounds to change this. Some other persons ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Days 3 days ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? Which one? Monday, Tuesday? Wednesday. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದು? ಅದು 3-2 only particular dates were given. 3-2.
Yes, sir. That's on first and 15th and first of
Appellant. Children, the office of Panchayat on 7-4 to 9-4. Only particular dates were given. The same visitation shall continue up to 28/5/2005 from Monday to Wednesday. Now it covered the vacation also. Children between Monday from Monday to Wednesday in the office of the PDO between 2 p.m. and visitation arrangement was ordered to be continued. Now the appellant wife has come up with the application to reduce those visitation days only to first and third Saturdays of the month, on the ground that now she has secured an employment in the office. She has secured employment in the Department of Prosecution and JMFC Hoskote, na?
Yes.
Hoskote. She has also produced the copies of the appointment order and posting order. Lower counsel for the respondent opposes the application on the ground that the appellant, on the ground that though visitation rights were given, the appellant never visited the children, and Saturday is a sandy day in Shanivar Sante, and it would be difficult to produce the children in the PDO's office. The records produced by the appellant show that she had to attend to interview and report at the workplace during the days of the alleged absence. The day being a sandy day, Saturday being a sandy day is not an insurmountable difficulty in producing the children. Therefore, the order dated 7/4/2025 is modified as follows. The respondent shall produce the minor children in the office of the PDO Shanivar Sante at ಎಷ್ಟು time at 2 nadu at 2 p.m. The appellant shall spend time with the children up to 5 p.m. in the said office. Thereafter, the respondent shall pick up the children. This arrangement shall continue till further orders. I 2025 is disposed accordingly. First, communicate the copy of this order to the trial court and the PDO of Shanivar Sante and learned HCP and registry shall furnish a copy of this order to learned HCP for required coordination. First and third Saturday of each calendar month. Appeal is filed in 2025. First time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Notice ಆಗಿದೆ. You file it then till you file next hearing date will grant interim stay. There is a decree of divorce, no? Restitution. Oh. You have filed execution? No. Do you undertake that you will not file execution? Any other cases are pending? Criminal miscellaneous ಏನೋ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ? Domestic violence. What happened in that?
Awarded the compensation to the wife. He is working.
Monetary relief.
Yes.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Just-
And what is the reason stated for a delay?
The father of the appellant is suffering from cancer patient. So that reason they have filed, they are not filed in time, my lord.
She filed divorce petition in 2021.
Yes, yes.
This restitution was filed in 2000. So after that,
After that, they have filed.
where the restitution petition was filed?
Mysore. Husband was
No, no,
residing-
it's not right.
okay,
One
husband
day
and wife
create
were residing at Mysore.
But why do? Okay. There is a decree of under the impugned judgment decree for restitution of conjugal right is granted. Therefore, there shall be an interim stay of the impugned execution of the impugned decree till next hearing date. Okay. List you file it. Undertake ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು counsel for the respondent, the respondent will not seek execution of the decree till next hearing date. Okay, list recorded, list.
For admission, number 23, Shripadvi Shastri.
My lord, I am for appellant. My lord, actually insurance company has to file. Sorry, my lord, I am not able to hear the court, my lord. Court is not visible, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
We have admitted other side was submitting that he was not served the copies. Serve copy on him.
My lord, I actually
Mr. Pradeep.
I paid the process, my lord. Paid the through. Anyway, I will supply another.
Iಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ, you have furnished the copies here. ನೋಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ. Yes. Who is the petitioner? How he or she was related to the deceased? Dependency andre there are 3 persons. How over 70 years. Widow. Petitioner number 1 is the major son and petitioner number 3 is the mother. So far as petitioner number 1 and 3 in major idru 21 years. Heard admit call for TCS. Interim stay subject to deposit of 50% before this stay. ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ you not filed any stay application. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ IA 1 of 2020 for IA 2 stands disposed of ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Stay application ಆಗಿದೆ.
On such deposit. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 19,90,562. Heard admit call for TCS.
Still number 20.
Okay, for the applicant, my lordship. Seeking enhancement, my lordship. 21/12/2017 action, my lordship. Only two aids, death case, my lordship. Two aid matra, my lordship. The other aid not given, my lordship.
Conveyance, food and nourishment, medical bills. Why?
Because the death is not proved due to the accident. There is no nexus between injuries and death. As per Exhibit T7, my lordship, the deceased was sustained cancer and liver problems. Due to that, was
Date
sustained.
of accident was 27/12. Date of death? ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
House.
Para 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್.
Years. We'll see records one minute.
Cell number 26, Nagraj Hegde, MU Punacha for R2.
List of receipt of disease.
Appear for appeal, kindly pass over some worker.
Pass over. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾರು ಪುನಃ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ notice to R1 is dispensed with. This is MVC 897. 7,54,500 is awarded. Case of injury. Laid up period ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Disability records ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Disability ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏನು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Arguments 150 now. Admit this for final hearing on authoritation on date. So award ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. 6.
Cell number 27, Shankarji, HS Lingraj for R2.
Lord, this appellant is a petitioner. His claim was rejected. But there was an accident on 16/6/2017. But there was an accident on 16/6/2017. The petitioner is the injured person. The appellant is the injured person. But his claim was rejected on the ground that the contention that the R1 has already taken the damages within 3 days of the accident, my lord. It's alleged that he has submitted a undertaking letter saying that car was met with an accident, there was no injured person, and the car has certain damages caused to the car. Therefore, he got the damages. R1 has son, and the car has certain damages caused to the car. Therefore, he got the damages. R1 has not contested the matter. It's based on the R2 that he produced some undertaking letter, the indemnity bond. So, based on that, the claim of the petitioner is rejected, saying that there was no such accident.
He was inmate of the car.
Yes, my lord. He was traveling in the car. My lord, actually, the accident taken place at Hirisave border. It's near to Hassan.
Call for the records. Admit. Call for TCS. List of the receipt of TCS. Yes.
Cell number 28, MR Nanjundagowda, HCGP, Santosh Kumar.
Suspension.
In second appeal, notice to R2 has to come.
You also have not taken notice in the state appeal, that is.
Please, my lordship.
Like inadequacy of sentence.
Yes, my lordship.
No, term is fixed by the learned session judge. Term is fixed to lordships kindly. Term is sentenced to undergo imprisonment for a period of 14 years. That is not supposed to be fixed by the learned session judge. He has to punish the accused when the charge is under section 302 only for life imprisonment or acquittal or death. Instead of doing that, I request lordship to just.
Convicted for 302 and 32 and 5 of the.
Yes, page number 73 of the lordships kindly.
Order of sentences.
Yes. In page number 73, please, ma'am.
Accused should be imposed minimum
14 years
sentence
term
as
sentence.
provided in 302.
Yes,
14 years.
14 years. That your lordship can kindly just visualize the application of mind of the learned session judge, how he has appreciated the things.
That is only with regard to sentence.
Yes.
You are saved instead of Life imprisonment,
Illa Swami, it is bad in law.
3 to
It is not
5.
supposed to be passed.
3 years for 3 to 5.
Yes, you see, term is not supposed to be fixed by the legislation judge, your lordship is. Therefore, and also the learned,
For,
it
no, what is
purely
the
rests
fair-
on
Judgment, my lord.
circumstantial evidence.
Modify the judgment in passing inadequate sentence for 302. Only regarding 302.
Please,
Because the matter was posted before the single judge. Like in life ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 14 years ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ single judge ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Then their lordships have directed the state to file the appeal on the question of inadequate sentence. Now my note to lordships is, this case is purely rests upon the circumstantial evidence.
And idರಲ್ಲಿ, do you take the notice in the connected matter?
Advata, I will take, I undertake to take the notice
Oh, like this.
and respond on behalf of the respondent in the connected matter. And if the lordships kindly at present, he was on bail throughout the trial.
In your matter, notice was issued to.
Yes, sir.
Who is appearing there?
Santosh Kumar.
Santosh Kumar, MP.
State only has referred the appeal.
No. In your appeal, the
Complainant, for
second respondent.
Somebody has
Complainant
filed the
party, some advocate is appearing, but he's
somebody has
absent.
filed the power plea
Was it, whether he was
for the
engaged,
complainant, de facto complainant.
whether he was engaged privately by the party or legal service authority in the Kotiroda?
Yeah, private advocate has been engaged by the de facto complainant.
Separate ವಕಾಲತ್.
Separate. ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈಗ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ 28.1 28 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಬಲ್ ಟು 28.1 ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಇದೇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಐ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್
Circumstantial evidence. He was on
Last in theory, witnesses are there, my lord.
he was on bail during the trial or
he was on bail preliminaries.
My lord.
He was on bail. He has not misused the liberty granted to him.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 28.1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆಯ್ತು.
Please.
ಇವತ್ತೇನೋ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆನೋ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಏಡ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್.
23-4.
Please.
Seal number 29 adjourned. Seal number 30, Ramachandra Reddy B, Rajesh PL. Rajesh PL.
Matter got settled in terms of joint member by the parties.
ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೇಡಿ? ಯಾರದು? ಅಬೂಬಕ್ಕರ್ ಶಫಿ, ಹೇರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್.
Madam Abubakar Shafi.
ಅದು ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು?
Aditi Vivek Gurjar. Aditi.
Hello. Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it a video conference room? Is your dressing room? You are supposed to only conduct the case here.
Your Honor, I was not aware that the camera was on. My humble apologies.
Be careful. He should be careful.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Seal number 30, Ramachandra
Yes.
Reddy,
I am
Rajesh PL.
Appellant.
We have no objection if your party is here.
Party is also present before.
Memo already is there on record.
Ah.
Petitioner, the wife declares that she is having all the financial resources and areas capability.
Joint memo is accepted by the court. I am joint memo is accepted by the court. I am placing the order copy before the court for consideration.
Children.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ withdrawal ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Child was aged 18 years. Huh? What is the age of the child?
7 years.
ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು?
9 years, madam.
No, some pencil marks were made.
A certified copy is not yet obtained, madam. The copy which
Memo for
memo is in filing.
Counsel for the appellant. Appellant first set. Appellant and her counsel are present. Appellant is identified by her counsel. Memo for withdrawal. The appeal is filed by the appellant under the signature of the appellant. Counsel for the appellant under the signature of the appellant. Case withdraw ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? Appellant submits that the disputes between her and the respondent are settled in a connected matter, that is G&WC number 38 of 2024, pending before the traditional principal family court, Mysore. ಇದು ನೀವು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅವಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಕೇಸು, ಮಗು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Joint memo has been filed, madam. Joint memo has been filed. Same is accepted by the court, and handing over custody is pending. After disposal of this case, they will hand over the custody. That is what the terms of the.
According to the memo, the appeal is dismissed as withdrawn.
What the?
Her signature, madam. Will reserve liberty to her if need arises.
I will.
Liberty is reserved to the appellant to revive the matter if the settlement in G&WC number so and so, G&WC number 38 of 2024 is fails. Okay, that is good idea.
Cell number 31, B. Pradeep, KV Shamprasad.
For appellant, we have deposited.
Deposited or not?
We have deposited before tribunal.
Order for payment, madam.
Deposited.
38,53,129 rupees we have deposited before
Yes,
tribunal,
sir.
my lords.
The
9/9/2024.
Deposited. Therefore, office objection in that regard should comply. Okay.
Kindly order
Yes.
payment, madam.
ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು?
My lords, they have not filed application, my lord, for
Correct.
withdrawal.
What is the point? On what
My lords,
ground
we
is
are
it?
challenging contributory negligence, my lord. Head-on collision accident has been occurred, my lord.
Head-on collision.
Please, my lords.
No, my lord.
Vehicle? What was the vehicle insured by?
Insured vehicle,
One,
two-wheeler and motorcycle, my lords.
the main contention is their split multiplier ought to have fixed taken into consideration is the main appeal memos. And major children are not entered.
Two motorcycles were involved.
Please, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Charge sheet was filed against who?
Against the bike and offending vehicle.
Who is this RW1 K. Suresh, rider of the other vehicle or
Company employee, my lord.
company employee?
Company employee.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 50% ತಗೊಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರು. What are the
Husband and children.
60 years? Oh, he was. What was his age? What was the age of the deceased?
56 years, my lord.
66 years.
56.
56.
Please, my lord.
Chandrasekhar Reddy. What?
The husband.
Oh, she was a woman.
Please, my lord. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್.
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 50% ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 50%. Here it is deposited here or before?
Before tribunal my lord he had deposit.
Records ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೊಂದು should complied ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. The tribunal shall digitally release 50% of the amount in deposit. ಎಷ್ಟು apportionment ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
60.5.
50, 25, 25. So anyway, he is going to get 50%. First ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 50% of the amount in deposit, digitally release 50% of the amount in deposit to claimant number 1. Admit. Tribunal shall submit the TCRs after. ನಾಳೆಗಿದೆ. ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. Admission ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಉಳಿದಾವೆ. Continue in the afternoon. 49. 39 or 49?
49.
49 ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, 46 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು?
41.
41. ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. 41 ಯಾರೋ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಗುರುದೇವ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಗುರುದೇವ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yesterday was not there. ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? As requested by appellant's counsel, list on after vacation on date.
12/6.
12/6.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 36 ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 36 ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದೆ.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಎರಡು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್.